It's really important that you have one both for your company, but also for yourselves. What do you want to change in the world? How do you want to leave the world different and better? Both as a company and for yourself, think about how your children want to start taking this idea on. And so what we want to be doing here today and every day is how can we not just be incrementally better, how can we do things 10 times better? Because for the first time in our world, we actually have the ability to do this, to 10x things. These emerging technologies that are coming at us are allowing these companies to scale around us in a completely new way. And as you've heard Salim and Paul and Tariq talk about, the methodology that you'll be using today is very much based upon that.